Okay, let's code. Okay, let's have a look at the pin entry system, main program. So I have my pin, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not much of a pin. And I've got attempts, which equal 3 to start with. Entered equals double quotes, because I've got to initialize this. And then on line number 6, I start my iteration. While entered does not equal pin and attempts greater than 0, and make sure you do the colon there. Entered equals input enter pin and the next line we take attempts equals attempts and take 1 or minus 1. Down to line number 10, we need to go back to the edge to start our selection statement. If entered equals pin, so it's checking that condition. If that is true, it's going to print out access granted. Else or otherwise, it's going to print out card blocked. Okay, let's run the program and see what happens. Let's enter the pin. Let's see what happens if we enter it incorrectly first. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, it prompts me to enter it again. 1, 2, 5, 6. Let's get it right this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Access granted. So entered equals pin is true. So I get access granted. And the while loop works. And once I enter the pin correctly, that seems to work as well. It'd be great if we could get the attempts to print out as well, but we don't need that because it'll prompt us to do that as well. Okay, so let's have another look. Let's see what happens if I get it correct first time. Access granted. Let's see what happens if I change the pin. 2, 4, 6, 7. And let's change attempts to 1 and see what happens. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to get it wrong, so I get my card blocked straight away. So if I attempt it once, get my card blocked straight away. Let's change this to 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. Card blocked. Attempts is 3. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's enter it correctly to see if we can get it running. Access